Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am John Manuel J.E.G, Logatoc, and I am here to um, present to you about the enumerate function in C++. So let's go ahead and make a new project. Let's name it enumerate. What? Empty project. What? Why? Oh, there's another project. Let's just open the file. There we go. And let's make a new source file. C++ enumerate. And let's go through the code. Let's include the header files, iostream, and space. Then I'll be referring to this code that I just wrote earlier in this notepad. Okay. I have this enumerate function, an integer main, enumerate math science. Basically, this enumerate function contains these two members, math and science. Sorry for the loud noise. Anyway, we have math and science as members of the my classes object for enumerate. Okay. So let's consider my classes as a new variable. So we're going to be assigning my classes is equals to math. And we'll be making this condition statement. If my classes is equal to math, then this will appear. And if it's not, then that will appear. Okay. So let's try to run the program. Your class today is math, so it agrees with the condition. Basically, enumerate is just like it's just like arrays, where you put arrays like this. Let's say integer age 100. This age contains like 100 variables, 100 values. You can put it in. You can put it in any position of your array, but the difference is in the enumerate you can only put one value for your object, but these values are separated by names. Let's say math. And one thing to know about enumerate is that it will be using integers to determine the position of the member. So let's say math and science are part of the member of the enumerate my classes. Let's just go ahead and try to output what is inside the my classes object. Okay, so we said that my classes is equals to math, so that means it's going to show the value of math in this particular. Okay, let's put a space here too. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, your class today is math 0. Notice that 0 is the value of my classes, which is an integer for math. So let's say math is equals to 1. Then we'll get the value 1. But let's say science. Oh, by the way, if you try to put math as 1 and then there will be a new member for your enumerate, the first value will just increase according to the next value. Let's say math is equals to 1, then science will be equal to 2. I'm going to prove it. Later. Okay, science. Say my class is equals to science. So just remove this condition statement. Your class today is my classes. Let's try to see if it works. Not okay. So as we can see, 2. The second integer that follows 1 from math is 2. And that's it. That's how enumerate works. And yeah. Okay. Sometimes people put in enumerate, but I don't know why. Sometimes I call it as a function, but let's just say it's just a handle for a number. Let's say we can say that we can say we can enumerate grades. For example, it's an object name, grades. Say math is 1, then science is 5. And then we'll output grades. And let's put in condition statement there. If grades is equals to science, then this will happen. Okay. So your grade, we'll replace this one. Your grade in science is grades. Say your grade in science is 5. This enumerate function is useful for maybe I think switch statements and condition statements because enumerate function the benefit of enumerate function is that you're going to label your members. Unlike in arrays, you'll be putting a1 and then there will be a2. That will look very redundant and will be only used for maybe values for grade for let's say maybe it works array works like for spreadsheets, but I think enumerate works for conditions better than arrays because I think making condition statements for array will be very redundant if you don't use for loop statements, right? So that's it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this brief outlook or tutorial, whatever. Thank you.